All eyes on the way I vibe when I walk into the room. Wind blows underneath the soles of my brand new pair of shoes. I got the attention, I'm on a mission. No sweat in the way I step, I got a fresh new attitude. Oh my, 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 oh my, my, my. Call me a king, you can buy me a crown. Oh my, 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 oh my, my, my. I'm leveled up, and this is my world now.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. It's Faith Martini here, and today I am going to be sharing with you my DIY small apartment play area. Now, I kind of wanted to create this little area for my boys so that they actually can have a play area where they can be playing with their toys, and that it would give me some freedom to be able to do things without having to worry about where they were, because they've just been all over my apartment touching every single thing. So I just thought this would be a great idea for them. So I am going to share with you how I was able to create this little play area for them so that it can be a nice and safe place for them to play. I do have a small apartment, so I did not have like a big area for me to create this for them, so I decided to do it. There's a little hallway right behind my island, so that is where I thought I could create that little play area for them. So I just kind of worked on cleaning it up, and then I started to add the little letter blocks on the floor, and then I just wanted to also add a toy storage area there as well to have all of their toys. But I don't know if that was a good idea to actually do that, but I still did it. So I'm just going to go ahead and take care of that.
I've been losing hope. It feels like there's nothing to keep us from drowning. Maybe we got too comfortable, and there's something missing. Don't know how to fix it. We go back and forth, we try to force it, just ain't right. Pick a side.
So I bought the foam tiles from Target, and I just had to play around with the organization because of how small the area is, so that I can be able to, I guess, make it look somewhat presentable or somewhat legible when you looked at it. But they don't really know how to read, so they're not gonna be really reading it. So I just kind of started by putting the letters all across, and then I had to kind of change it up because it didn't match up. So you'll see that on the video.
And it's no wonder that we're going under. Oh, I wish we could go back when we were together and when we were better. We go back and forth, we try to force it, just ain't right. Pick a side, you stay on yours, I'll stay on mine. Got history we never see, what's across that line. Yeah, we do this every time. If we were superhuman, maybe it'd be different. If we were superhuman, maybe we could find this. But we're only human. We're only human.
then next I had to put the toy organizer together. I bought this one from Amazon, and guys, all of these products will be listed in the description box for you, just in case you want to get them. So be sure to check the description box for a list of the items that I used in this video.
But we're only human, human. We're only human, human. But we're only human, human. We're only human, human. Oh.
Okay, so putting this together was kind of a hassle. Oh my gosh, this things, honestly, you kind of need, it's a two people job. Like it goes by so much faster when you have somebody else who's helping you. But I'm single and I'm a single mom, so I got to get it done without having to wait for somebody to help me with it, guys. So I just kind of walked through it. I bought a screwdriver from IKEA. Oh my goodness. Oh, that screwdriver. I spent quite a bit of time trying to figure out how to actually work the screwdriver so that I can screw the screws into those bars. And it was such a pain, guys. Let me know in the comments if you have bought a screwdriver from IKEA and if you had some sort of struggle trying to get it to work. Like, they don't give all the instructions in those little booklets. It's so bad. It's so bad. So I just had to like YouTube that thing just so I can find out how it actually works. Oh my gosh, it was so frustrating. But yeah, I was able to finally put it together after a while of trying to figure out how to do the screws. Oh my gosh, IKEA. I love IKEA, but some of the products that they have there, they just need some English on the description, on the little booklets.
Feel eating me up like a monster in the night, holding a mirror to the ugly things inside. And I'm letting go, cause tonight it's do or die. Do or die. All the times I would bite my tongue, every time I would turn and run. Hold tight, no I won't look down. I'm stronger now. I'm giving up on giving up. I'm not afraid to start a war. I tried hard but I had enough, cause now I know what I'm fighting for. Oh, oh. Now I know what I'm fighting for. Oh, oh. Now I know what I'm fighting for. Scars, don't cover them up, cause they make you who you are. Wear them with pride, don't go hiding in the dark. I open my eyes and I look up to the stars. To the stars. Oh, all the times I would bite my tongue, every time I would turn and run. Hold tight, no I won't look down. I'm stronger now. I'm giving up on giving up. I'm not afraid to start a war. I tried hard but I had enough.
This is the final product, guys. So I was able to add all of their toys on there, and then also added their books. So the space is a little small, but they are tiny right now, so they can fit in there, they can play around. The biggest thing that I should have done is maybe put the little toy storage in a different area, but I still need to figure that out, because right now that they're playing with it, they tend to, you know, play with the little buckets way too much. So, but for now, I think this is a good start for us, and I like how it looks. So the next day, I was able to purchase the gates from Walmart, and I'm going to link those down below as well. So be sure to check that description box. And the gates, I actually bought them because I kind of needed I needed them to be quite wide, because the area is actually pretty wide. And when I started to put them on, I kind of struggled with this too. Like I did not read the instructions very well, because it was like saying that there's gonna be a gap, but I couldn't even, I didn't see that. So I was like struggling with that. but after doing the first one, I was able to figure it out. So I did the second one without any issues. But I like the gates and they work well. However, my boys have been able to take them down quite a few times, and I'm going to show that here in just a bit. But the gates are actually, they're so wide, but they're not wide enough for my space. So I don't know if I'm gonna have to go up a size with this, because I've had to extend the mount screws to like the full length, and it's still not enough. It kind of comes up easily because it's gone all the way. So I think I might have to get a larger size for this area, because it's just so it's a lot bigger than I thought this was, but it still works for now.
I know I said I like to be alone, only 'cause it's all I've ever known. And I can be myself and no one's home. You're stepping on my comfortable routine. You're messy and so much louder than me. I'm happier than I have ever been. Now I wanna tell you all my good news, give you a spot to leave your shoes, spend all my rainy afternoons getting high on you. I don't know, maybe this means love. All I know is I like you so much. Yeah, you walk in and I swear it's enough to get high on you. I don't even need as much caffeine, waking up with you right next to me. La da 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 da. Got me.
And here it is, guys. You know how it is. You make something for your kids and you're just excited for them. You think they're going to love it because you love it. But your kids are like, no, mommy, we don't want this. Why did you make it? So my boys, immediately when I put them in, they were trying to get out. And at some point, they managed to get the gates taken down. And I was just disappointed, but I figured I had to get it back up again. So I'm probably gonna go for a bigger size with this. But guys, I am on social media quite a bit. I do post on Instagram a lot, so be sure to follow me on singlemammywinning.com, and that is the Single Mommy Winning page, and then also on at Miss Martini, which is my personal page, for more content. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment down below, and I'll be seeing you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.